Hello, this is Amos Tarfa, and I want to talk to you briefly about Singapore math. One of the best math curriculums in the world when it comes to elementary school math is called Singapore math. Now, I have the math curriculum from the country of Singapore here, and then this is the one that we sell in America called Singapore math. The same thing, essentially, if you look at the material between the two curriculums. You can look at the one from the country of Singapore and you can look at the one from America. There are variations of the one from America, but I would say overall, if you take the Singapore math curriculum from pre-K all the way to 6th grade, right? Just take all the books. They're usually in the order of like an A and a B book. So this is the B book and this is the A book. You can basically go through the material or help your children go through the material at their pace. So if they master 1A, they should do 1B. When they master 1B, they should do 2A and 2B. And just keep going year round, right? That's the best way to learn math, is to continue practicing regularly. Students just need to realize that part of being young at this point in their lives is to be diligent in learning. Like, that's their job essentially, right? Now, it can be fun and exciting, and that's why I teach math history. I encourage people to learn the history of mathematics. There's actually one of my classmates in Nigeria who has done a little bit of writing just for early math topics. I'll talk about that in another video. But I want to encourage us to encourage young people to learn the history of mathematics and the applications of mathematics. So when it comes to elementary school mathematics, we're going with Singapore math for our students. Now, if a student is using Math UC or a different curriculum, we can be a resource to families, of course. But if you want a guide that takes you through Singapore math, the whole series, then let us know. Just go to amosthemathguy.com and fill out the form on the website. amosthemathguy.com. Fill out the form on the website. We'll get you in touch with our tutors. And then you can email me at amosthemathguy@gmail.com, amosthemathguy@gmail.com. So reach out if you have any questions, but we basically want to provide year-round Singapore math support for students in America, Nigeria, all around the world. We believe that, well, first of all, the Singapore math elementary school curriculum has been ranked one of the best. They've been doing very well for many years. And I understand that some people might say, well, there's a certain cultural context, the students maybe are doing a lot more than they should have to, and so on and so forth. Well, here's the thing. Because of the nature of mathematics, what we need to do is to encourage young people to basically master the fundamentals, and then the next level is not as bad. So believe it or not, math ends up being one of the easiest subjects if you learn it in a logical fashion. That's the key. Logical fashion based on mastery. A good friend of mine and supporter is in Singapore, and I'm grateful for him bringing this to me, but then also the work that we plan to continue doing in Singapore, in Nigeria, in America, and beyond. We want to make math accessible to everybody, help them to enjoy the process of learning mathematics. So in this, one of the things you see on this channel is tutor training, teacher training material. So this is just a video to introduce families and parents to our math curriculum for elementary school students that we're recommending. And if you're a homeschool parent and you want to improve your math teaching skills to help your kids more, again, follow this channel. We'll be posting regular videos and strategies for raising quality teachers and tutors to help students love and grow in mathematics. One more book I'm going to mention is called Mathematics for Human Flourishing by Dr. Francis Su. Very good resource. I want to encourage families to check it out. Mathematics for Human Flourishing. We need to recognize that some of the methods we're using in math are actually going to discourage students from flourishing in math. So let's take a step back. Let's learn from Dr. Francis Su. Let's learn from math history, and let's, follow the journey here at Counting to Calculus. I look forward to providing support to families and schools and districts. And so take care. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more. Have a blessed day.